नमस्ते विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आजपासून आपण इयत्ता 12वी केमिस्ट्री सेक्शन 5च्या सिलेबसला सुरुवात करतोय. बिफोर स्टार्टिंग our syllabus, we have to discuss some important points regarding with this syllabus. This chemistry textbook contains 16 chapters. HSC board gives the mark distribution for each and every chapters. Similarly, the board decides the question paper form and a evaluation pattern of the subject. First of all, we will discuss about the evaluation of the subject. There are two exams. First one is a practical exam, a practical examination conducted by our junior college under the guidance of HSC board. This a practical examination has a 3 hours time duration and it carries a 30 marks. That is, out of 100, a 30 marks for our practical examination. There are number of practicals included in our syllabus, and it is necessary to complete at least 18 practicals and 4 activities during the academic year, and at the end of academic year there will be a practical examination for 30 marks. Then the second kind of examination, a written examination or a theory examination. The time duration for this examination is also 3 hours, and this a written examination or theory examination is for a 70 marks. That is, this is the distribution for 100 marks. That is, after the completion of syllabus, as per the timetable of HSC board, these 2 examinations will be conducted in the futures. During this academic year, there will be some internal assessment, that is a few tests, terminal examination, preliminary examination, and so many examinations will be conducted by our junior college. Okay, that is, this is the distribution of marks for 2 examinations. A written examination or theory examination, our question paper contains 4 sections. Now we will discuss about the question paper format. Our board question paper contains 4 different sections: section A, section B, section C, and section D. Section A contains 2 questions, that is question number 1 and question number 2. Question number 1 contains a multiple choice question, MCQ. There are 10 multiple choice questions. One question carries 1 mark, and hence a total weightage for MCQs are 10 marks. Then a section A again contains a question number 2, which is a very short answer question. That is, answer in 1 sentence, like this question number 2 carries 8 marks. there are 8 questions and you have to solve all these questions. There will be no internal option for a section A. A section A is a compulsory. Question number 1 and question number 2 does not have any internal option. Okay. Then a section B. A section B carries a 16 marks. A compulsory 16 marks and 24 marks with option. A section B is short answer type SA1, short answer 1 type question. Each question carries 2 marks and we have to solve 8 questions. There are 12 questions given in section B. Out of these 12, you have to solve only 8 questions. That is, there are 4 internal options. Out of 12, you have to attempt only 8 questions. Hence, 2 into 8, 16 marks with compulsory, 12 into 2, 24 marks with options. Then a section C. A section C contains a short answer type SA second type questions. Here each question carries a 3 marks. You have to attempt 8 questions and hence 8 multiplied by 3, 24 compulsory marks and 36 marks with option in section C. That is, there are internal option out of 10. You have to attempt only any 8 questions. Then last, a section D is the long answer type questions. Here each question carries 4 marks. There are 5 questions and out of these 5, you have to attempt only 3 questions. Hence 3 multiplied by 4, 12 with option 20. If we count all the marks, hence the total is like that. A 70 marks is a compulsory and a 98 marks with option. That is, our board question paper has a total weightage of 98 marks, but these marks are with options. There are a 70 marks compulsory question will be asked. Okay? This section A, B, section C and section D. Our board question paper contains 4 sections and 31 number of questions. Total 31 number of questions which are divided into 4 sections. This is the skeleton of our question paper. हा फिक्स फॉर्मेट आहे. याच फॉर्मेट मध्ये आपल्याला बोर्डाची क्वेश्चन पेपर बघायला मिळते. आता ह्या बोर्ड क्वेश्चन पेपर मध्ये जे काही क्वेश्चन्स आपल्याला विचारले जात आहेत ते तुमच्या टेक्स्ट बुक मध्ये जो काही सिलेबस दिला असेल या सिलेबस वरतीच विचारले जात आहेत. आणि मग हा जो काही सिलेबस आहे त्याचं चॅप्टर वाइज मार्क डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सुद्धा आपल्याला दिलेलं आहे. ओके, नाउ वी विल डिस्कस आवर सिलेबस. Our board textbook contains a total of 16 number of chapters. There are a total of 16 lessons are present in our board chemistry textbook. थोड़ा सा हेवी सिलेबस आहे, थोड़ा जास्त सिलेबस आहे. या सगळ्याच्या सगळ्या 16च्या 16 लेसनला बोर्ड पैटर्न नुसार वेटेज ठरवलेलं आहे. फॉर एक्झाम्पल चॅप्टर नंबर 1 सॉलिड स्टेट, the 3 marks compulsory question will be asked on a solid state. Each and every chapter has its a fixed weightage of marks for board examination. Out of this 16 lessons, there are 4 lessons which carries 6 marks each. There are 4 chapters which has 6 marks weightage each. These chapters are chemical thermodynamics, compulsory 6 and marks with option 8 marks. Here we chapter. Maximum weightage, chemical thermodynamics. Then chapter number 1, elements of group 16, 17 and 18. 3 group elements 15, 14 and 13 are included in 11 chemistry topics. Here 16, 17 and 18, that is study of elements of these 3 groups. The chapter also carries 6 marks compulsory and 8 marks with option. Then third chapter which carries 6 marks, transition elements. (6/8). In chapter number 4, which is coordination. Chapter number 4, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. Aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. 6, 12, 18, 24. Out of 70 marks, 24 compulsory marks are given for these 4 chapters. Out of 70, 24 marks 4 चॅप्टर साठी ठेवले. 16 पैकी 4 चॅप्टरला 24 मार्क्स. त्यानंतर सिलेबस मध्ये 3 लेसन्स असेल की जे 5 मार्कासाठी तुम्हाला विचारले जाणार आहे त्याच्यावर क्वेश्चन्स. त्यानंतर 4 lessons carries 4 marks and 5 lessons carries 3 marks each. Okay, the chapter wise marks distribution will provide to you in the PDF format. Okay, what is the important thing? Our 12th science chemistry textbook contains 16 lessons. Each lesson has its own mark distribution. These 4 chapters are the major chapters, carries at 24 marks. Okay. In this video, we have discussed about the syllabus of 12th science chemistry, the evaluation pattern, and a question paper pattern. Okay. From today, we are going to start our 12th science chemistry syllabus. परत एकदा विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, जे काही एज्युकेशनल व्हिडिओज तुम्हाला दिले जातील, प्रत्येक टीचरचे जे काही यूट्यूब असेल, सबस्क्राईब यूट्यूब चॅनल ऑफ ईच अँड एव्हरी टीचर्स. ओके, वॉच द व्हिडिओ केअरफुली time to time and make your own notes or solve the homework given below. Okay, thank you very much.